If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. So today I'll be working on the second half of that die, and it is like the strawberry seeds part of it. Really cute die, and it cuts out, actually doesn't cut out, it does cut out, but just the seeds, not the lining part, and that's why she's included the lining parts. You can cut around it and you can't mess it up. There's a lot of room in there for you to go around that die. So what I did was run it through the color that I wanted to have the seeds or this base piece out, and then I went over the top of it with the other die. So you'll see how that looks. I did just use the larger set and the larger leaf, so I didn't use the small one. I also used the sentiment and the shadow. You are very sweet and so very sweet. I think that's what it says. You are very cute and so very sweet. So I cut that out. Everything is all cut out using the paper that I showed you guys in that card video. It was some digital paper that I had cut out and I had in my stash. Craft your stash, guys. So this is what I had. It's so pretty, and it's perfect for these strawberry dies. And I was like, oh, this is perfect for that. So these are just some remnants that I have left. I wanted to share with you guys the paper that I'm using for this particular project. So like I said, everything was all cut out, so let's get right into it. So I'm using Cardstock Warehouse Sour Apple, and then I'm using some 120-pound weight heavy cardstock as my base for the shadow of the words and for my strawberry. And then here are the pieces that I cut out. Aren't they so adorable? I mean, it's so cute. Look at this one. It is so pretty, and it has a nice little luster on it. When I had them printed, I used like the laser, so it has a nice little gloss, but I'm going to try to do something different to them today. The leaves I cut out the same sour apple, and then I also cut them out in the white heavyweight cardstock because it has the shimmer. It's a lighter weight paper, so you don't get that heavy, sturdy effect that you want when you're when you're making stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer the words first onto my shadow bases, and then we'll work with this because this is going to get a little extra. So, and you know what? I'll also layer my leaves. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I have all of my leaves put together and all of my words put together. So stinking cute. So now it's time to work with these little berries. I'm going to take my Tim Holtz Distress Embossing ink, and I'm going to ink on top of the berry. I'm just moving my head around to make sure I'm getting everything here. I guess it would be better to press it maybe. I'm going to take this and some clear embossing powder. Just ladle that on, and I'm just going to heat it up. It's super glossy. Shines, look at that. Shine, shimmer, shining, shimmering, splendid. All right, and then the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to add some distress stickles to this top by spraying it with some spray adhesive. I'm going to do that off to the side. All right, and then I reheated it, and it's just a sticky looking residue on here. Let me heat this corner up, and look, it's just a shiny shimmer. I hope it's coming through on here. Look at the shine and the shimmer and the texture on the strawberry. Oh, I love it. So it looks like a fresh morning dew strawberry, basically. So I'm going to finish this one up and then do the rest and then come back. I'm going to add Pop Dot to the back. There we go. Adorable. And then I'm going to add the backing to it. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then I'm going to add, let's see, which one I'm going to do. So very sweet on here. Okay. This is a really cute strawberry. Gosh, I love these colors. They are very cute. All right. We are all done. So stinking adorable. I'm going to add some shimmer to the top of this strawberry embellishment because leaves shimmer, or at least mine do. So pretty. And then I'm going to add these while they sit and dry for a quick second. I got some acetate. I'm going to take the cover off here. And then I'm going to add a pop dot to the back. That there. All right, so I put them on top of this acetate, and the shimmer has already dried on here on the strawberry and on the leaves, so they are so pretty. Very cute, simple embellishments. I'm gonna put them in a clear bag, which is like my favorite packaging. Simple and quick. All right. Love it. And then we can leave a little room at the top for a topper if we want. And that came out so adorable. Really cute, guys. So be sure to check out Erica, scrapdivadesigns.com for the strawberry set. And be sure to check the links down in the description box for the card that I made with the other half of the set. Here it is right here. Such a cute card. I think these work well together if you give them as a gift. All right, guys. If you have a moment, please take a moment and like that video and let me know what you think. I will talk to you soon. Bye.